wonderful opportunity to speak on such a great topic, cybernetics marketing. Exactly, this topic is in lots of demand, and in changing environment of business, this topic is really required. Thank you again, Dr. David. So, I am Dr. Vishnu Mishra from India. I am just going to give a brief glimpse on cybernetics marketing. So, according to Norbert Wiener, the word cybernetics marketing is derived from Greek word kybernetes, which means hellsman. Now, this kybernetes describes the ability to move independently through a constant changing environment and therefore represent a regulatory process. Friends, in changing environment of business, the different environmental factor they regularly dominate global economy, like sometime the socio-economical environment, sometime the technological environment, sometime the economical environment. Like in this COVID era, the economic environment of business, this is dominating a lot. According to Jeff Bezos, who is CEO of Amazon.com, he has given three success mantra. They are technology, technology, and technology. Now you can easily understand the importance of technological environment in the business. And even the cybernetic itself represent the regulatory process. How companies are using cybernetics marketing as its positioning statement as well as a regulatory process to create immense demand of product and services. Now, Pinner defined cybernetics as the science of control and communication in the animal and machine. Man is also a human animal. We all are aware. So, suppose I had a cut on my finger. Now, how I came to know my nervous system, it is connected through the smallest unit of nervous system, that is neuron, and these neurons have given message to my brain, and the moment I received this message through these neurons, I have got a sensation of pain. So this is what, this is a communication system, and which you can easily understand, which communicate to each and every part of the body. So the nervous system, it automatically control our physiology. For example, like we are talking about kidney, what it perform, it excrete urine with toxic element of the body. Our brain, it sensitize pain. So these things are the part of human body which is regularly communicating to each and every part of the human body itself. Very same, when we are talking about cybernetics marketing, the internal autonomous regulatory process within system, of and within the system, and transmission of information between different parts of system and its environment. Friends, I would like to give you a very small example. SAP R by 3, it was adopted by Reliance. Now, when we are talking about this system application R by 3 software, it particularly rely on three sub softwares. Basically, Reliance, it is a big industry, and recently you have heard that Mr. Mukesh Ambani, he is the sixth richest person of the world. Now, when he has applied SAP R by 3 in recent in his industry, so ultimately this SAP R by 3, how this was marketed by the team of IT, information technology. SAP R by 3, it is comprising of three sub softwares, namely ERP software, enterprise resource planning. Now, with the help of enterprise resource planning, a industry can easily regulate, monitor, communicate its legal department, its human resource department, and other sub software, that is supply chain management software, that is in the external environment of the business. And through supply chain management software, they can easily regulate their intermediaries, their supply chain system, and how they are passing consignment from company to intermediary and ultimately to their end user. They can easily regulate as well as communicate. And the last one was CRM software, which was again an important factor of SAP R/3 software, which was employed by the Reliance Industries. Now, CRM software, with the help of that software, they have got FAQ, frequently asked questions, and they can easily resolve customers' queries. And when they have measured it on semantic scale, they have got more than 95% customers, they were satisfied with the way they were resolving their queries. So cybernetics marketing, it is very much important, and at the same time it is also devoted in different sort of research. Now, what is management cybernetics? According to Stafford Beer, he brought cybernetics to management, says that this is the art of effective organization. We can smoothly run our organization, we can smoothly conduct all the planning, designing, organizing with the help of cybernetics itself. So even in management, we have got a great scope of cybernetics, like from individual enterprise to huge multinationals, we can expand our horizons from local to global level. It is important for private sector as well as public sector enterprises, even in association and political bodies, and lastly in professional and private life. In India, e-governance, it was developed by cybernetics itself. In the morning itself, the former chief minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, he used to connect with all his gram pradhan, village pradhan, and try to take planning, try to take feedback of his planning. That was wonderful initiative by a government. Again, it was very well marketed by the IT professionals. And see how cybernetics, it is expanding its horizon from local to global, and even from cities to rural area itself. So when we are particularly talking about cybernetics marketing, it has got a huge scope in market itself. Uh, there is a wonderful article published by Nicholas Martellero in 2018. The topic of his article was Cybernetics and the Design of the User Experience of Artificial Intelligence System. And the one line juice of his article is cybernetics and artificial intelligence are often considered the same thing, with cybernetics having something to do with creating intelligent and cyberox and robots. Uh, I was just teaching artificial intelligence to my MBA students, and one student has suddenly asked from me, Ki, sir, how robot was developed? Now, see, the wonderful example of CyberOx, which we are discussing in the previous unit, when scientists they were developing robot, the basic challenge was how robot is going to think. They have developed fuzzy logic, and with the help of fuzzy logic, robot they can have rational thinking. Now the second challenge, how the part of bodies of robot were interconnected to each other. What they have done, they have developed neural system, and again the neurons they were interconnecting the different part of bodies. Now with the help of wheels, robot can take right turn, robot can take left turn. With the help of camera, they can visualize the things. With the help of speakers, they can speak, they can hear. So the cybernetics can provide a useful framework for augmenting designers in creating human-centered interactive artificial intelligence enabled products. Now, there are so many movies you must have seen, like Transformer. It was the greatest movie of Hollywood. And it was based on artificial intelligence, the way they have employed the different technique. For example, fuzzy logic, neural network, eye camera, wheels. That was outstanding. That was beyond the imagination of audience. Let's start with the marketing. The father of marketing, Mr. Philip Kotler, he has defined marketing as a societal and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need, want to creating and exchanging products and value with others. Now, this is a definition. This is very broad definition. My guide, he was vice chancellor of University of Allahabad, which is Oxford of East. He has given one line definition of marketing, that in marketing we have to create demand from the market, and accordingly we manufacture the product and sell it with the help of customer feedback. But at the same time, all marketers, they are playing with the sentiments of customers. How? Surf Excel, the message they are giving to Indian viewers that these spots on your clean shirts are good. Somewhere it is showing attachment of your mother's, how much she is attached for you, that she wants a clean cloth for you. Bajaj, it is the nerve of India. So these are the ad, somewhere they are emotionally attached their customer, and somewhere they insist them to buy. I would like to give you one more example. uh, Before 20 years, when Aquaguard, Kentaro, they were not in scenario, in business scenario, we the customers were highly satisfied with the tap water. But Aquaguard, Kent, they have advertised that 90% diseases, they are just because of impure water, and they have started promoting Aquaguard, Kent, and somewhere they have insisted us to drink mineral water. And now see the market share of Bisleri, Aquaguard, Kent. Aquaguard, they are enjoying oligopoly along with the Kent in India itself, in the global place itself. So somewhere, what they have done, they have created the demand. Although there was not demand at all, people were satisfied with the tap water also, but the demand has been created. So this is what marketing. Even on behalf of cybernetics marketing, we have to create demand. People now they are implying for the social distancing, they are creating a distance of at least 2 feet from each other. Now we need certain types of product which can be easily promoted to our customers. We can insist them to buy these products. So we can have so many examples from virtual market, from physical market itself. Now they can make data driven decisions for better campaign results. They can leverage the prediction efficiency to easily identify their potential customers, purchasing behavior to achieve higher sales and customer satisfaction. Just I would like to give you example of this virtual player and physical player, like Walmart. This is having physical presence in all over America, and its competitor is Safeway Retails. Now, Safeway Retails, they have got cybernetics marketing techniques, and through cybernetics marketing technique, they came to know the hidden patterns and trends of historical data. Now, they have also identified, Safeway Retail has also identified that there are certain slow moving product available in their retail stores, and these slow moving products have not used since last 6 months, since last 1 year, and ultimately they have gone for the goods return. So when we are talking about this particular technique, we can easily explore hidden patterns and trends from the historical data. What sort of products are preferred by customers? What is the frequency of purchasing these products? How is the demand of these products in the market? So again, if the products they are slow moving in nature, we can make goods return, and again we can save our cost as well as time. So cybernetics, it has got a huge importance, and somewhere when we are talking about data mining technique, again somewhere it supports the cybernetic strengths of the market. Now, few more examples. It can pave the way for hyper personalization. It can generate brand specific content that appeal to customers. It can help marketers make timely decision. It can help with predictive customer service, and it can empower marketers. One day I was teaching in MBA class. I think it was January 2020, before effect of COVID. One of my student, he was operating his mobile phone, and suddenly I have observed he was just trying to give order for a white shirt. Now I have shown my anger. Exactly, he was physically present in class, but mentally he was absent from my class, and he was just surfing on different virtual websites like Amazon, Flipkart. I have switched off his mobile phones. But he told me, sir, on that day, I could not complete my shopping. What happened when I surf in my gmail.com? There was a pop up window from Amazon, and they were insisting me to purchase white shirts. Even when I used to surf on Instagram, Facebook, again that pop up window appear, and they try to insist me to purchase that shirt. And there were so many offering. They were trying to promote unique selling propositions. With the help of unique selling propositions like buy one get one free, 20% discount, and some other promotional techniques, and ultimately I have purchased this. So my dear friends, this is what, this is the hyper personalization which they are showing with the help of the cybernetics marketing. Sometimes we have to develop content that appeal to customers. It could be emotional, it could be the rational content. Sometimes we have to compete with our competitor, and we have to go for the product differentiation, how this product is better than the competitor's product. We are talking about Hindustan Unilever Limited. It's a 90% glycerin soap. And on Facebook, I frequently observe that Dove, it never make comparison with peers, since both the brands belong to Hindustan Unilever Limited, but Dove advertised itself as it is a 90% glycerin soap. It is what? It is content based advertising. Their content is very strong. Their concept is very strong. When we are talking about Ranbaxy Pharmaceutical Company, Ranbaxy, they have developed NDDS technology, novel drug delivery system. Means previously we have to take medicine 3 times in a day, 2 times in a day. Now with the help of Ranbaxy, we are getting patient compliance. These medicines are getting patient compliance. We have to take single dose in 24 hours. So again, the cybernetics marketing, it has shown the importance of content marketing, which they are promoting through different digital websites. Now, uh, some more examples, like in personalized marketing, brands are moving over curated suggestions to connect with their customers on a deeper level. When Cadbury, it was launched in India, it has observed that Nestle India Limited, it is promoting KitKat. Now you must have heard that green KitKat, this is the top selling brand of American market. Now even KitKat, it was also marketed by Nestle India Limited in India, and it was doing wonders in India itself. But Cadbury, what it has done, they have gone for the targeted marketing, personalized marketing. For example, they have developed celebration pack on the eve of Holi and Diwali, which is the festival of Hindus, then Eid, which is the festival of Muslims. They have developed these celebration pack, and they have promoted it to customers on the basis of their religions, on the basis of their names. So, somewhere, because of this personalized strategy, today Cadbury, this is the largest selling brand of Indian market in confectionery items. So, cybernetics marketing, it is making paradigm shift in global workplace. Now, consumer behavior. When we are talking about consumer behavior, somewhere it shows change in taste and preferences of consumers. With the help of cybernetics marketing, now customers, they are moving from physical market to virtual market. I was just surprised that if we are talking about market share of Walmart, the market share of Walmart is 2 to 3 times higher than the total market share achieved by Indian public sector enterprises and private sector enterprises. But after COVID effect, now I have also observed, now the market share is moving towards virtual marketer, that is Amazon and Flipkart. So, time to time, we need to understand consumer behavior. Definitely, consumers, they ignore. They don't want to go in physical mall, shopping malls. They try to place their orders with the help of virtual players. And dear friends, you can see even the medicines, the life-saving drugs. Now there are so many virtual websites. MedLife, Pharmacy, they are promoting medicines. They are delivering medicine at your doorsteps. So this is what? This is the paradigm shift. This is a turmoil in consumer behavior. Now, some other application area, product oblique content recommendations, better advertising, highly personalized website experience and better research, then enhanced pay per click advertising and chatbots. If we are talking about Indian economy itself, 55% economy, it is derived from the service sector. And students, when we are talking about, friends, when we are talking about service sector, 55% of the service sectors, it derives from the 55% of India's GDP, it derives from the service sector. And while people, they are going to invest for service sector, they have got lots of queries. And these queries we can easily resolve with the help of chatbots. And that's why our BPOs, business process outsourcing industries, KPOs, even in India, there are thousands of BPOs, KPOs, TPOs, transaction process outsourcing. They are working from morning to evening. They are working from day to night. And there is huge scope of these outsourcing industry to all over world. And even in COVID era, now people, they are applying for the loan, they are applying for the financial assistance so that they can have their own KPO and BPO, and they can develop chatbots to resolve customer queries. If they have got certain problem, with the help of a specification, with the help of some other critical technologies, so they can easily resolve their issues with the help of chatbots itself. Now, there are different brands, and this is the basic reason behind their success. Amazon, Levi's, Hotel Hilton, Skype, Nordstrom, they are using cybernetics like anything, and the next generation, they are going to use cybernetics marketing. Now, you can just observe this market share which was achieved by Amazon. 38.7% market share is somewhere, it is just because of the strong positioning of the cybernetics marketing. Then followed by Walmart, eBay, Apple, the Home Depot, Wayfair, Best Buy, Target, Costco, and Macy's. So cybernetics marketing, it has got a huge impact on world economy. Like Amazon, Walmart, Alibaba, they are going to enter in world market, and they are going to change the consumer behavior. And somewhere cybernetics marketing will have a deep positioning effect to change taste and preferences of customers. Their preferences, they are shifting from physical market to virtual market. Their preferences, they are shifting from travel industry to insurance industry. That we have to really work out. We have to find out how these preferences can be turned into cash cows, and customers can be easily convinced for product and services. And with the help of this cybernetics marketing, we can observe the customers, the companies, they are saving cost, they are optimizing their budget, make task more streamlined for employees, reduce time by automating sale process, and personalize the customer experience. So we can say that cybernetics is the future of marketing. Thank you.